Have you ever heard of the quote by Marshall McLuhan? There are no passengers on Spaceship Earth. We are all crew. Well, our unique and complex spaceship does not only have as many crew as never before, but major problems as severe as never before, such as climate change, threats to peace, or plastic pollution. And what's more, things are changing exponentially. Now, imagine having a spaceship crew that does not have the necessary credentials to fly the spaceship. That is the situation we are approaching. We, the crew, need to be urgently educated and acquire the appropriate mindset, tools, and skills to navigate our spaceship Earth. This is what we aim to achieve through the Solutionary Summit.
We, the MIS Solutionarians, were formed last year when we were chosen to attend FIS's Changemaker conference. We were so inspired by their work that we decided to host this year in May a conference at MIS that we called the Solutionary Summit. And now let me introduce you to the Solutionarians, the people who are doing all the work.
Hi, my name is Jan.
I'm Irene.
I am Alina.
I'm Ina.
I'm Max.
I'm Maxie. I'm Eloise.
And we are all Grade 8 Solutionarians.
Will you join us at the 2024 Solutionary Summit?
Katie Cutter joined the Changemaker Conference in 2022 and 2023 and will now tell us how it impacted her sanitation project.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Cutter and I am the leader of the Toilet Tipping Service Group at Frankfurt International School, where we aim to provide proper sanitation and toilets to the 1.7 billion people around the world who do not have them. I got to attend the Changemakers conference in 2023, where I learned so much and was able to look at the world through so many different perspectives. I also met the Help Up group. I admired the way that they worked as a team together, and they inspired me to work harder on building my service group at Frankfurt International School.
This is one of the certificates my group has raised money for.
Last year, I spoke in the Changemakers conference.
So far, I've been able to build more than 100 toilets, and we're still going.
It was amazing. I met so many incredible and inspiring people. See you there at this year's Solutionary Summit in Munich.
Katie started by providing one toilet, 10 to the power of 0, to grant proper sanitation to girls. She then established 10 more toilets, 10 to the power of 1. And now she has reached over 100 toilets alone, 10 to the power of 2. This exponential growth is only continuing as she mentors other change makers on hygiene and sanitation. Katie's exponential growth is what we call the Base 10 change makers. So, what even is that? Here's Irene to tell us more. I am 10 to the power of 0.
We are 10 to the power of 1.
Did you guys just see that? Talk about exponential growth. Well, that's the theme of this year's Solutionary Summit in a nutshell. If each one of 300 attendees tells 10 extra people, then you've already reached 3,000 people. So that pretty much represents the scaling power of Base 10, doesn't it? But for us, it's going to be more than a theme. It's going to be an inspiration. After all, isn't change making rooted in Base 10? The idea that you can change the world, one person at a time, one class at a time, and one community at a time? Now that's what you call amazing.
So yes, we are all crew of this beautiful spaceship Earth. But we are not alone. Let's get together, learn together, and from each other. Let's get a sense of what our resources are and our power is. Sign up for the Solutionary Summit 2024 at Munich International School today. We are excited to see you there. And don't forget,
We got the power!